Can you sell enough STL files to buy a Bambu X1 Carbon? Let's find out. This is week 16. So last week I had a total of 966 sales, and this week we are at 970. That means it's a total of 4 sales, and here is my numbers for this week. So I sold for a total of 12.36 euros, which brings us to 1,275.27 euros. And I am still missing 471.73 euros to get the Bambu. And here's what I sold. This is my newest design, the Ceratops, and I sold 2 commercial versions of this one. I sold a Clover St. Patrick's Day dragon, and I sold some pumpkin skulls. Remember to check in again next week to see how far we've gotten. Take care, bye!